Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to do a tutorial on Simbrief, which I think is probably the best website used for planning flights, and this is the website for it. So we're just going to wait for it to load up. Simbrief can basically do anything you want. Like, if you want to do a realistic flight, you just need to go to Simbrief, because it has basically all the things you need. And note that this video is not sponsored by Simbrief. Alright, so now we're just loading, and I don't know why it's taking so long. And in the homepage, you can see the aircraft types, flight plans, past and latest flight plans. I haven't done too much flights in this week or so. And as you can see, there's a bunch of selections, or maybe choices, like your airline. For me, I just usually choose China Eastern, and then you can do your flight number, departure airport, and your arrival airport. So over here, if I just want to take off from JFK and fly to Antarctica, it's also possible. It has probably all the airports around the world. Antarctica. But, if you're going to Antarctica, the flight plan wouldn't be very good, because, you're gonna see what's going to go on later. Because if we just choose the A350, random, actually totally random. Oh my god. And it says no alternatives found, because there's basically zero airports at Antarctica. And as you can see, it's a straight line, because this is too much for the website. But if you go to a normal airport, for example, we just want to go to Beijing Daxing International Airport, we can just choose this, and then if we want to just generate it, this is a normal flight plan. And if we it's probably a realistic one. And if we zoom into it, it has all the arrivals chosen for you. And of course, I didn't pay anything for it. It says AirAct 2403. And as you can see, it basically has all of the waypoints you're going to go through. And it's also synchronized with, for example, the Builds planes, and also Phoenix, which is known for their A320s. And then, there's also this night mode, which I barely use. And, usually you'd have, real-world selections, if I'd be flying from Denver to JFK, and then there'd be, real-world stuff. And, if we just generate our flight here, this will be sent to the web, and, if you want to go to a plane by any build, you just need to go to the EFB, enter your Simbrief ID, and then, the flight plan will just be synchronized. And, as you can see, you have a bunch of download selections. You can download this PLN file, and then just put it into the MSFS. And then if you go to the EFB, your flight plan is there, and you can send it to ATC or avionics. So that's a huge win. And like over here you have takeoff performances and stuff, landing performances. You also have your PDF stuff. And thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.